Hi, this is Detached, your Waterloo Region real estate agent, and today I am going to take you on a tour of this beautiful detached bungalow that you do see right behind me, which is currently on the market for sale. What you're looking at is also a neighborhood that's very mature and established, very central to everything you need to find here in Kitchener. And guess what? It actually backs onto a conservation area. The home itself is finished with modern updates from top to bottom, and it is a Ravine lot. So I'll tell you everything you need to know about the home and the neighborhood as we take a tour of this beautiful gem. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. Now, the home is located in the Stanley Park neighborhood. Very nice and a mature neighborhood if you ask me. In fact, you back onto the Stanley Park conservation area because this is a Ravine lot. You do have a walkout basement with separate entrance that is fully finished as well. So there is some rental potential there. And the best part, it does have in-ground swimming pool in the back. Above grade, you are looking at over 2,000 square feet of living space, featuring 4 good-sized bedrooms and 3 full washrooms. For more details on this home, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact info you will find right below in the description. I'll be happy to assist you with more details on this or any other home across the Waterloo region. But for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour.